So what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to talk about Aster. I know that this particular altcoin has begun a lot of hype on social media, and as with all hype, most people think that they're going to become filthy rich and just simply want to come in and purchase these newest projects that come out and altcoins. And I want you all to begin to realize that a lot of these projects seems to me just like a money grab. These individuals who create these so-called projects simply created just to get the bag from the people who want to invest in their project. This may just be another one. I want you all just to look at some altcoins within the cryptocurrency space that's been around for a while, and you all will begin to see that many of them trend in one direction long term, which is down. A lot of these projects, so-called projects and altcoins or cryptocurrencies, they trend in that direction, and that only lends me to maintain that these creators, these founders of these projects are simply creating these projects just to get paid off of the well wishes of those who want to be filthy rich off of these cryptocurrencies in anticipation of them going up in price. All right, so I definitely want my people to understand that this is the game that is going on within the cryptocurrency space. I've been doing these videos for an extremely long period of time, and I've noticed one thing that's very different between cryptocurrency markets and the stock market is that stocks tend to go higher. Altcoins, cryptocurrencies don't, because they are two totally different markets. Many people are incentivized within the stock market to let prices go up. It's in the benefit of the United States government, the monetary system, to continually inflate stocks because people feel that they are gaining wealth. We don't have that right now within the cryptocurrency space. So that's why these cryptocurrencies, altcoins, tend to go lower than maintain an upward movement to higher prices. So we're going to talk about this market right here in Aster real quick. Like I always do, I give you all price predictions. I show you from the perspective of the market, not my thoughts, not my opinions, but what everyone has already done to try to figure out where is price trying to go. So as always, make sure you hit that like, share, and subscribe for more of my videos and content. So now let's go ahead and break down the price action so far in Aster off of this exchange, which is termed Binance. So now we're going to go ahead and first of all create areas that we see increased selling and buying. So this first area that we're going to create is a sell pocket. Here is another sell pocket. Let's create another sell pocket. These are areas when price in Aster came up to these prices, it got rejected and went right back down. Here's another area right here. Okay, so the market is trending down in Aster. I mean, it is what it is. Like I told you in the beginning of the video, this is the easiest trajectory that prices tends to go in the altcoin space. Now, there is an area here that is a buy pocket though, and I'm going to show you where it is because the volume was climactic and it is extremely huge. So we definitely need to pay attention to this area right here in Aster to hopefully see where buyers will be for this cryptocurrency. Okay, so we're going to make that into a buy pocket. So as price is currently trending down in the market in Aster, down almost 5% as of this recording, we may see the market actually bounce right here, or there's another area here that we can potentially see the market in Aster bounce. So we're going to look at this on the hourly chart to try to figure out what's the prospect of us seeing the market bounce right now. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at this on the 2 real quick. Just trying to figure out if the market in Aster is trending bullish. Right now it's not. Take a look at this on the 3, 6 hours and 27 minutes left, and this current 3-day price bar is not bullish. Here's Aster on the 4. Take a look at Aster on the 5. Still looks weak. Here it is on the weekly chart. Got a day and 7 hours left before this price prints on the weekly time frame, and that's definitely weak here as well. Here it is on the 2 weeks. Just giving you all a quick view of what the market looks like on different time frames. This is very bearish for Aster on the 3 weeks. It doesn't look bullish at all. Okay, so now let's look at this on the hourly chart to see if these buyers are stepping in the market right now. You can see on the 11-hour chart, we're not seeing that in that case. We're not seeing it at all. We're even getting a sell signal being popped on our software that we got is being popped right now, telling that the market is still weak. You can see even on the 11-hour time frame, we got a couple of areas of selling that is hitting the market. So it looks to me like somebody is trying to offload their positions in Aster. Somebody is trying to take advantage of the unknowing population that is trying to buy this cryptocurrency. They're selling straight to everyone else who wants to buy it. So yeah, this market definitely, not on 11-hour at least, it's not showing any strength there. Here it is on the 5-hour chart. I want you all to pay attention to what's actually moving the price. So you can see these sell signals, the big spreads that is hitting the market in Aster. That means that this is where the market maker or the specialist is actually conducting his business. He's the one that's moving this cryptocurrency down. You get these small, big, massive moves down in Aster. We need to see it the opposite direction. We need to see massive spreads going up rather than trending down. So we're not there yet. I don't think that this market in Aster is completely finished with going lower. Take a look at this on the 3-hour chart. Let me go ahead and lower this down a little bit. I might want to bring it to this point as a buy pocket. Okay, so maybe we're going to get that indication of buyers currently trying to come into the market in Aster. You can see that right now on the current 3-hour bar. Price is closing off the lows. Volume is coming in. Every time price goes down, the volume is deep and it's heavy. We want to see volume increase as price goes up, but volume is increasing as price continues to go down. That tells you that someone is dumping this altcoin into the market. Here it is on the 1-hour chart. Even right now on the 1-hour, someone is still here trying to dump their Aster into the market. Okay, so I mean, I'm finished. The current idea is still for this cryptocurrency to go down, to go lower in price. We're going to acknowledge, however, that this could still play a pretty good role of seeing price hold. Okay, so when we do our price prediction, I want us to understand that we might need to take some minor profit right there, that first pocket. Okay. So now let's go ahead and put this back on the daily. And we're going to anticipate lower prices for Aster. Okay, now first target is going to be this first pocket, like I already told you. We could see it bounce at the high of the pocket or at the low. At the low, it gives around 5%, around 99 cents or $1. Our next target is going to be around 90 cents, almost 14% there. And then our last target is going to be at the bottom of that second buy pocket at 83 cents, 84. It's around 18, almost 19% move to the downside from that perspective. So ultimately, that's where I want to see the market participants try to hold price, is the second buy pocket. Okay. So let's see. It might not take long for us to actually see that come to pass, and then we'll come back in to see if the market is gaining momentum to pull price back up, because as right now, I just don't see that for this market. All right, so that's it. Let me know your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.